YouTube. Today I have a G.skill KM250 here, and I'm just going to be going over real quick. You've got its red switches. Here, let me take that out. If I can do this looking through the camera, hopefully this will pick it up. I'm gonna pause this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So it's PBT keycaps. Then, like I said, you have red switches. Looking at the branding, I think it says Kale. I think they feel pretty nice. I think they sound pretty nice. Let's see if I can do this while looking through here. There. Saystar sounds pretty nice. That sounds pretty nice. Sounds pretty nice. Caps lock sounds pretty nice. And this is, sorry, may not focus, but it's a 65% keyboard, and I like it. You can do FN and tab. It's kind of, I have big hands, but it's kind of hard. Yeah, steady, which I like probably the most. Change the brightness by bam. Five different brightness modes. You have a volume level that makes an audible sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but I hear it makes little clicks. Like I said, it's a 65% keyboard. Flipping it over, you've got double standout feet, which is pretty cool. You don't usually see it on 65% keyboards. I feel like I just did something. I don't know. I feel like it's just got dimmer, but I'm not sure. Anyways, hope you guys like the video, and here's a quick sound test. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.